The Hindu Samaj Mandir and Community Center successfully inaugurated the Institute of Spiritual Sciences on Saturday, September 14th. The event featured blessings from Swami Yuktamananda of the Ramakrishnan Vivekananda Center of New York, followed by an insightful talk on Gita teachings Enrich Our Life by Dr. Atul Chokshi. Attendees enjoyed cultural programs and devotional songs performed by children and adults. The initiative aims to inspire future generations to appreciate spirituality, cultural heritage, and community service. Padma Shri recipient Dr. Sudhir Parekh, along with other dignitaries, also attended this inauguration to seek blessings and contribute their wisdom. Enjoy the highlights.
He tells Arjuna, I am going to teach you a technique of being 100% successful, contented and powerful in this world of mine. So, these words, when you read it, it sounds very complex. I tell you one by one words, and it will be, you will see in front of you. Neha Bikram, it's a complex word made up of 4 words. Na, Iha, Abhikrama, Naso, Asti. Na, Iha means there is nothing, there is no disadvantage. Na, Neha, Bhikrama means in starting this path, there is no disadvantage. Neha, Bhikram, Naso, Asti. Pratyavayona vidyate, there are no adverse effects. Any action you do, there are adverse effects. But in this Karma Yoga, there are no adverse effects. And then God says, Swalpam apasya dharmasya. Swalpam is little. Most of the words we will know. Swalpam apasya dharmasya. Little bit of these divine words. Pratyavayona vidyate swalpam apasya dharmasya. And then it shall.
Dr. Parekh, would you please rise? Dr. Sudhir Parekh is a huge champion for the temple and a supporter, and we thank you for your involvement and your support.
I'm going to announce the team that is going to take us forward on this particular beautiful initiative that we have. Dr. Atul Chokshi is going to be our inaugural dean. His goal is to draw from all major traditions of Indian culture and Indian religions that have been born on the soil of India, Jainism, Buddhism, Sikhism, all aspects and all manifestations which you see in our temple, and organize programs, thematic programs around each one of those major traditions. Helping him in an administrative capacity will be our administrative dean, Ganesh Deshpande ji. And two advisors who we are very blessed to announce who have agreed to support Atul ji in his efforts, and the entire team in their effort is our beloved Radhika ji and Krishnan ji. Sunita Kapoor, Rita Chatterjee, and Anita are going to be the directors who will carry forward what cultural manifestations of our culture. You saw David sir as the first set of directors, and as we grow, this is not limited to this, as we grow, as you volunteer, as you bring additional programs into the temple, you will be joining this team to carry us forward. To each one of you, oh, I forgot to introduce Savita. Savita will act as a coordinator between all the activities that are happening in the temple, all the support that is needed, and she will rely on a whole set of other people to do that, because we cannot do it alone.
Hi, I'm Dr. Sudhir Parikh, Chairman of the ITV Gold and Parikh Holwar Media. I would like to introduce my very close and very dear friend, Dr. Atul Chokshi, whose initiative today is launching of the Institute for Spiritual Science in the USA. And really, Atul, I'm very proud of you, and what you are doing is really great. Congratulations, and we are always with you, and you can always count on me personally as well as our media group to propagate your great initiative and this our initiative to the world, whole USA.
Thank you very much, Sudhir, for being here. And we again got together and we'll do great work together. This is a God's hand in that, Otherwise, we were in separate activities for years. He is my closest friend since the age of 15, and my first supporter in the land in England, where I was lost on the street. And he is the one who gave me the first shelter. So I always remember him, and I'm grateful, and God sent him again to me. So we'll do a great work.
Namaste, my name is Sunita Kapoor, and I am the founder and director of only the music part over here at the Institute of Spiritual Sciences at the Hindu Samaj Mandir, Mahwah. And I've been associated with the Mandir for almost 1.5 decades now, ever since its inception. And it's such a pleasure and delight to see the little children, 4 saal ke bache, when they grow up and they learn for over a span of 10, 12, 13, 14 years. They go to college, they come back, sometimes they get married, and then unke bache aate hain seekhne ke liye. Makes you feel a little old, but that's okay. It's a wonderful institute, and dance, music, spirituality, name it. I would encourage all of you to come here and try and be a part of it. It's a lot of community service for people who don't want to be in the spiritual aspect or the artistic aspect. there's so much that you can do for each other and grow together as a community. So thank you so much, and look forward to seeing you here.
So this is the institute we are starting, new institute. It's based on 3 pillars. It's a spirituality, it's our culture, and seva to the society. So this institute brings all those 3 things together and delivered to our community. We really want to have all your participation where you can help us and take it forward, where we can make it big and help all our next generation.
Hello, my name is Anita Ramaswamy and I'm the Artistic Director of Nritya Sagar Dance Academy. This is Bharatnatyam classical dance, and today my students and myself, we had this opportunity to perform here, and I feel blessed to have this opportunity to be part of this initiation, the Institute of Spiritual Sciences at Hindu Samaj Mandir, and I'm looking forward for this to basically expand, thrive and flourish, and hopefully we all are able to contribute a lot, pass on the culture, the traditions, the values to the new generations, and this journey keeps going. I really hope so, and all the best to everybody who has contributed a lot and for all their efforts. Looking forward to a wonderful beginning.